All right. So, my friends, let's get started. Financial education. First and foremost, you want to educate yourself about personal finance for sure. You want to do that. You want to understand the concepts like budgeting, investing, and debt management. All right. So, we're going to go into budgeting. Budgeting is the first step towards financial freedom. It's about understanding where your money goes, all right? And also, you want to start by tracking your income and fixed expenses such as your rent, your utilities, and your subscription. You also want to identify the non-essential expenses, and now these are expenses that you can live without. So I'm gonna give you an example, right? One of the example is getting your nails done. So getting your nails done at the salon is a non-essential expense. Why is that? Because people can live without getting their nails done. Now, truth be told, right? Like I love to get my nails done. So during rough times, right? During financial rough times, I do not get my nails done every 2 weeks, right? I wouldn't do that. Instead, I will get my nails done once a month. Now, why would I do that? Why did I do that? I did that because it helps in cutting down unnecessary spending, which can help you as well when it comes to saving and when it comes to reaching your financial goals, all right? So you do want to practice spending less. The second one we're going to look into is investing. So investing is about making your money work for you. It's a key element to building wealth. The best place you want to grow your money is in an index plan that has life insurance attached to it. Now, this is what we do, right? This is what I do. I teach families how to grow, how to protect, and how to save their money where there is no risk, right? You want to eliminate risk when you are thinking about growing your money. You want to be sure that you don't lose any money whatsoever. All right. So again, consider and think about living benefits. Think about growing your money in an index plan inside of a life insurance. Okay. You also want to be consistent. Consistency is the key. So regular contribution, like even small ones, can compound over time. So you want to invest wisely. That is the key. Invest wisely so that you can build wealth over time.